If you're trying to download an app and see the message, this application requires iOS 16 or later, here's how to fix it. The simplest solution is to open your settings, go to General, then Software Update, and check if your iPhone can update to iOS 16 or later. If your device supports it, update your software and you'll be able to install the app normally. However, if your iPhone is too old and cannot update to iOS 16 and later, you'll need another device, either your friend's phone or a family member's phone or your own second device that can download apps requiring iOS 16 or later. Sign in to that device using the same Apple ID you use on older device. Then open the App Store on the newer device and download the app you want. Once the app is successfully downloaded there, you can sign out of your Apple ID on that device if needed. Then go back to your older iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account, go to Purchase, and then select Not on this iPhone. You'll see the app you previously downloaded on the other device. This time, your older iPhone will offer to download a compatible older version of the app, one that works with your device iOS version. This method works for most apps because once an app is in your purchase history, Apple usually allows you to download an older supported version. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.